everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go ahead and make a cute little card using Concord & Knight's Sending Smile dies. It comes equipped with the rainbow pattern and then the offset to the sentiment of sending smiles. I think we're going to go ahead and use the Floral Smooth cardstock from scrapbook.com. Sometimes these come with purchases when you order stuff from scrapbook.com, and others you just have to purchase. So we're also going to be using Champagne from Concord & Knight for the sentiment as well. So that's going to be kind of our last thing that we need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and pull 6 because there are 6 little rainbows, like loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to use the first, let's see here, there's that, and then we'll use this one, and then we'll use this pretty orange color, and then we will skip to the green. So this is not exactly, you know, the traditional rainbow, so, but that's all right. And then we'll use this one. So here is our color palette. Now, if you do this right, you actually can make a lot of cards with this, because they're going to cut out, you're going to have to run your die per cardstock, and so therefore you're going to have multiple. So we're going to see if we can make 2 cards in this video. Let me go ahead and get that open. So I am going to take this off. And then I feel like I can just run it this way, and then I'll get this trimmed down so that way I can feed it through my mini evolution. And then put that on there. That ran through. And then I have a little tray for my scrap pieces. Okay, here we go. So this is, I'm going to bring out my little trash can here. And then I'm going to set this one here because that's the one I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to put my leftover pieces there. Okay, let me get these all die cut out, and then we will assemble. Okay, got that all cut out. Just finished the last one. And here we go. Don't want to forget that one. Get this one all pressed out very carefully. Here we go. Okay, got a lot of bits and pieces here. Let me get that off of my desk here. So I need to go ahead and poke this out, and then this one as well. Oh, don't want to throw that away. Okay, so then that's just going to go right on here. So I just used white cardstock to cut out the offset, and then I'm going to use my tweezers And then I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to this. Okay. Boop, boop. Carefully. Okay. That's good. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so then I just need to add a little painted glue for the tittle. And there we go. Okay, easy part done. Close this up so I don't lose the lids. Not a problem. That was not that bad. Okay, so then here's the thing. I want to pop this up with some foam tape. However, since these are individual pieces, I'm just trying to like get this all situated here. I think what I'll have to do is I'll have to maybe add some washi tape or something to the back of it to adhere all these together and then slap that on there. I think that's what we'll do. So bringing in my washi tape, and then I'm gonna, let's see here. Okay, this one's already, like, it creates this beveled edge with Concord ninths. So there's a back and there's a front. So I'm just trying to make sure that I have it going the right direction. Okay. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, since I got that part done, I'm going to go ahead and add the tape for this, so that way I feel like it's gonna want to keep on shifting on me. Let's see here. So I think it might be best just to kind of glue or tape as we go, and then that way don't have to refix it. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so let me get that there. That's what that looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. And then this is just going to go right there. Love it. Okay, now let's get some foam tape. Okay, got that thing pretty well adhered, though I do see a little bit of a gap. I wonder if I can, let's see if I can, where's my tape? Over here. I'm going to see if I can squish that a little bit closer together, and hopefully, oops. It's a little bit of a gap right there. I'm not going to be able to, not a problem. Okay, next, let me bring over my card base. So we're going to do a standard US A2 card size, so it's 4 1/4 by 11. So we're going to square it at the 5 1/2, so then it becomes 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That folded. I'm going to use my foam folder to go ahead and get that nice increased. Okay, perfect. And I'm also going to trim down my card panel. So I think I'll just do 4. So I have a 1/4 inch margin, or an 1/8 inch rather. Okay, so 4, and then I'm going to trim this down to 5 1/4. Okay. then I will add some foam tape to this as well. Let me get that there, and then I am going to peel these back. Okay, let's get this squared on here. Perfect. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to get this peeled back, and I did add some foam tape to the back of this as well. Although, now that I'm thinking about it, probably got a little ahead of myself doing that. Shoot. Well, we're going to have to think about that. And I'll show you why. Oh, oh, oh. Nope, nope, nope. Gotta be a little bit more careful about... Jeez, what am I doing? Goodness. Okay. There. Right? That looks good. Okay, so here's the thing. I am going to have this over that. And, oh, you know what? Yeah, I think I should have not had this on the back. Let's see if I can get this off. Let's see if I can. Just going to rip it. I'm okay with that. This is the back, and that's not going to get shown. So, just want to be careful I don't rip it too much. Yeah, that's totally my fault. Okay, well, it ripped it, but I don't think it's the end of the world because it's not going to lose its integrity. At least I don't think. Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay, so then what I'll do is I'll peel this back. Okay, and then I'll just add glue to the back of this. Okay, and wherever the glue doesn't land, it doesn't land. I'm not too concerned about that. Okay, so then, actually I think I'm going to use my hands. Oh, nope, nope. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness. You know, here's the thing. I need to add glue to this. Man, I have been doing a terrible job. Oh gosh. This is just going to give me more wiggle room. Okay. There we go. Okay. That is so pretty. We're not done because we need to, of course, add some embellishments. And we'll add some dew drops. And I've been wanting to use the larger of the dewdrops. Let's see. But I just think this card is just too small for that. So we'll downsize it a little bit. Okay, there we go. And there's our finished card. I love this card. Now, let's take a look at it first. and just admire the card for a second. I love the gold. I love this. I mean, it's glitter. It's not glitter, which is what I love because it's just, this is just so matte. And I think that turned out super cute. Now, here's the thing. We have all of these additional pieces, and we can make more cards, and we will make more cards. I probably will do this off camera just for the sake of time, but I'm gonna kind of play around with this. Maybe I'll do one on another one on camera, but I think, or just put it on fast forward. But this is such a fun, cute little card. I'm so excited that we went ahead and did this one. Okay, so let me think about this for a second, and then we'll see what we come up with. Okay, well, here they all are. They all are so unique in its own special way. I did add a pop of color for this one, and I decided to write Justify the Sending Smiles to this card and left Justify the rainbow, and of course our original center one. I think they all turned out so super cute. And oh, and also use this gold embellishment or brass embellishment, whatever color that is, and then I stuck with the dewdrops for this one. So let me know if card 1, 2, or 3 is your favorite. I am going to go with card number 3. That's by far my favorite, but overall they all turned out super cute. So again, here's card 1, and then we have card 2, and then lastly our card 3. And I still have all of these extras, mainly the green ones, so I could do a green card if I wanted to. Maybe that would be cute for St. Patrick's Day, although it's now past, obviously, but you most certainly can do that with this die set. So you can make tons of cards. Technically you can make 6 different cards, right, with different orders. So all right, well, thank you so much for watching. As always, be sure to give this video a like and a comment, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, I will see you guys in the next card or craft video. Bye.